welcome back to the next episode on the Datsun build. Today we're going to be spraying the Raptor liner on the underside of the body, and we're going to show you how to do that and all the steps we take to prep this, as well as clean it and secure all of the threaded holes so you don't get any Raptor liner into these threads. It is a rainy day today, so we're going to try our best to get everything prepped, and hopefully by the end of day we'll have a little bit of daylight where it's not raining and we can spray down this Raptor liner. For all the threaded holes on the body, you really don't want to get any Raptor liner in them because that stuff will get so hard that you won't be able to thread any nuts or bolts, onto anything. So I need to tape these off, all these threaded holes. I take these earplugs, squish them, and I just put them right inside, and they'll eventually expand and fill that hole, kind of like we did here. And around on other areas too. So I'm going to go down the whole entire underside of the body, look for everything that I can fill, and after that I'll start taping off areas that I don't want any undercoat on as well. Starting to tape everything off. I filled all the holes that I wanted with the earplugs, taped off some holes from the inside, like the shifter hole, AC drain line, other odds and ends like the coilover perches, and it's looking really good. Just going to tape off all the white. The whole body's going to get wrapped with the plastic. And then I'm going to work on the fenders. It's still raining off and on, so got to make sure that it's dry out here, and I dry those off before we start. Everything's turning out pretty good on the car. Got everything wrapped up. All taped up, all the surface areas that I want taped up. I got everything on the car wrapped up where I need it to, and all taped up, plugged. Everything's looking really good on it. I've yet to do the fenders, still drizzling outside every now and then. But yeah, I just draped the whole entire car and kind of taped off the edges where I needed to. Got the car pulled outside. Fenders are all masked, taped, ready to go. Should turn out really nice. Alright, so we're going to be shooting with this Raptor liner. We got the gun that's provided with the kit. I put on my air regulator set to about 55 psi. You can shoot anywhere between 40 and 60. And then I've got just a oil water separator. This is the Raptor liner that comes with the kit. You're going to add 8 ounces of hardener to it, shake it up, and you can attach the supplied gun right to the bottle, start spraying. So now you're going to shake this can for about 2 minutes. We're going to allow that to dry for about 60 minutes, then we're going to come back with the second coat. On the second coat, I'm going to step a little bit further back and do a little bit more of a random pattern, just to get rid of any tiger stripes that you might see in it. I think it's looking pretty good right now. I don't see any tiger stripes, but we're still going to follow those directions for this next step. All right, time for the last coat. This thing is coming out amazing. Just finished the last coat on it, and I don't think it could have came out any better than this. The coating looks perfect. I don't see any like wet spots or tiger striping. I think my tape and wrapping job held up pretty good. Fenders look amazing. And yeah, just overall super excited about unwrapping this. We'll let it tack up a little bit more, and then we'll start unwrapping it. I think if you let the Raptor liner harden too much, the tape is a little bit of a pain to get off. I know on the Humvee doors that kind of happened to us. But yeah, catch back up to you when we unwrap this. Start unwrapping everything. Hey, look.
Oh. Do we can reach that high?
Yeah, I'll try to get those.
Reach it.
Yes, it does.
Oh.
One more piece. Everything's taken off. Everything's just about dried. Super happy with the results. And next step is going to be body work starting on this one now. It's going to be tempting not to put the suspension on it and drop it on the ground since it's been on the rotisserie for, I would say, over a year now, almost a year and a half. That's going to do it on this part of the Datsun build. Next videos, we're going to start doing all the body work, maybe put some 2K primer on it. Other than that, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.